To share with you is a TV backlight. This one is by the company Ecolor, and it's their Dreamcolor TV LED backlight. Now, up until like a couple months ago, I must have been living under a rock because I did not know that these existed, but they are so cool, and I think it just gives your TV like a, it just gives like your whole room that you have the TV in like a nice ambiance to it. You basically put this, and I have it right here to show to you guys, but basically what a TV backlight is, it's very self-explanable. It's a light that you put in the back of your TV so that any color you want kind of comes out from behind your TV. Now, when you have it on a wall, your TV mounted to a wall in particular, the lights just kind of like reflect off the wall and it looks so pretty. It's like light is beaming from the back of your TV and it just looks so nice. So right now I'm gonna go through what comes in the box. This clearly is the LED lights that you will wrap around the back of your TV, and then once you're done with that, you hook it up to your TV. So that's where this plug right here comes in and it attaches to that. You can operate the lights right from this right here, but even better is that it comes with a remote that you can operate the lights from. And I think on the box it said there's like millions of color options that you can do, which is kind of crazy. Yeah, 16 million different colors that you could have as a backlight. That's insane. I can't even like wrap my head around 16 million colors. So it comes with a remote, which is nice. You can control it. You don't have to go behind your TV and hit the buttons on it. You can just do it right with the convenience of this remote. And the really cool thing about this backlight, which I had no idea, is that you can download an app and hook it up to your phone. So you can control the backlight with your phone. And I think that's probably obviously where the whole 16 million colors comes into play. You can sync it with music. So I just think this is a really great, unique, and interesting item. And the best part about this is that it's super affordable.